Did you know that almonds have many health benefits? In this video by The Daily Eco, we talk about their properties, how to eat them, and their contraindications. Properties of almonds. This dried fruit has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, cardiovascular, digestive, and nutritional properties. Let's explore the different benefits. They contribute to healthy eating. Almonds are vital for a healthy diet due to their high content of proteins, fats, carbs, essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals like calcium, phosphorus, iron, potassium, sodium, magnesium, sulfur, and many others. Cholesterol concentrations decrease. Almonds, with their antioxidant properties, reduce total and LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol. Vitamin E and polyphenols help neutralize free radicals, reduce lipid oxidation, and protect cell membranes. Their omega-3 and 6 fatty acids also help prevent heart disease. They strengthen bones. Almonds' high calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium content strengthens bones and helps prevent osteoporosis. They are a power source. Almonds provide energy with their healthy fats, proteins, carbs, and essential nutrients, fueling the body efficiently. They stimulate the digestive process. Rich in fiber, almonds help stimulate digestion and increase intestinal mobility. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. What is one of the main sources of protein in almonds? Animal protein, vegetable protein, milk protein, mineral protein. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. How to eat almonds. Eating a handful of raw almonds is a healthy and easy option, keeping their properties intact. Roasted almonds offer a more intense, crunchy flavor. You can toast them at home or buy them salted. Season raw or toasted almonds with a little salt or other spices for a healthy snack, and you can also add sliced or chopped almonds to salads, yogurt, oatmeal, or cereals for an extra flavor and texture. Almond butter is a great alternative to peanut butter. Spread it on bread, add it to smoothies, or use it as a dip for fruits and vegetables. You can also incorporate almonds into cakes, cookies, breads, and savory dishes. Enjoy them in a trail mix with other nuts and dried fruits. Almond milk is a vegan alternative to conventional milk. It's simple to make at home and easy to find in stores. Health professionals recommend consuming up to 20 almonds per day, but this amount varies based on lifestyle, diet, and health conditions. In any case, it's always advisable to consult a doctor. Contraindications. While almonds offer many health benefits, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. Almonds are a common allergen and can cause reactions from mild itching to severe symptoms. Those with almond allergies should avoid them and be careful about cross-contamination. Due to their high fiber content, eating too many almonds can lead to bloating, gas, and constipation, so moderation is important to avoid these issues. Almonds are also high in calories, so if you're managing your weight or on a restrictive diet, be mindful of your almond intake to stay within your daily caloric limits. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B. Almonds are a source of plant protein which can be a part of a balanced diet, especially for those who follow vegetarian or vegan diets. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to leave your questions or suggestions in the comment section below, and see you next time.